uThulani Mngomezulu wedlule emhlabeni izolo kanti bese kuphele inyanga agcina ukuba senkantolo. Kulandela lezi ndaba inkantolo namhlanje ibe nomzuzu wokuthula ukuhlonipha uMngomezulu.
On behalf of the state and my colleagues, we wish to express our heartfelt condolences to the Mngomezulu family, especially his wife, Sis Dumi, and the children, and we wish them well in this difficult time.
Ukwedlula emhlabeni kaMngomezulu kuphoqe ukuthi lime leli cala njengoba umsolwa wokuqala kuzomela athole ummeli omusha. Kuzoba phakathi kokuthi uyaziqokela ummeli okanye inkantolo imqokele ummeli wamahala. uMngomezulu waqokwa nguyena umsolwa kanti umndeni wakhe yiwona obukhokhela izindleko zabameli.
You have a right either to defend yourself or to appoint another defense counsel.
Mr. Sibiya is going to contact, like he said, my lord, his family overnight and then have a discussion with them. Then he will let legal aid know about his choices, my lord.
Leli cala bekuhlelwe ukuthi lithathe umhlabakhefu wamaholide kaKhisimusi ngoLwesihlanu. Kodwa ke osekuvelile sekuphoqe ukuthi lisheshe liguqe seliyoze libuyele enkantolo ngoMasingana unyaka ozayo.